Remove the single motor, remove the rivets with a drill, and loosen the 3 screws. Remove the drone shell. Follow the arm to find the yellow power connector and the control wire connector of the arm and unplug them. Then remove the single motor after unplugging. The old arm can be replaced by removing the screws that fix the arm. After replacing the new arm, first tighten the screws fixing the arm. Insert the single motor wire back along the arm and tighten the screw ring. Calibration using a level. Tighten the 3 screws and use a riveting gun to drive in the rivets that fix the single motor. Plug in the yellow power connector and the control wire connector of the arm, and secure the drone shell.